Good morning, all my very lovely childrens. How do you do? I hope all are you fine and you are doing very well. So, children, do you remember last week which topic we have learned? Yes, we have learned about plants and what we get from plants. We get all the vegetables, flowers, all the fruits, what we eat. And vegetables, fruits, they makes us healthy. So children, now we will learn about healthy food. You know, all the fruits and vegetables we get from plants. So today we will learn about food, healthy food. Okay, so this is very interesting topic and you will enjoy this topic and you will learn what we have to eat and what we have not to eat. Okay, so now be ready. So today we will learn about healthy food. Food, they makes us healthy and strong. Okay, so children, these are some pictures of healthy food. Here you can see this is a basket of vegetables. You can see here, children, this is the basket of vegetables: tomato, bottle gourd, chili, pumpkin, potato, onion, brinjal, cauliflower, capsicum and carrot. All the vegetables are very good for us and for you. And children, all my children loves to eat fruit now. Yes, you have to eat fruits daily. Like this, here is a basket of fruits: apple, mango, banana, papaya, orange, pineapple, cherries, strawberries, watermelon and grapes. And all the fruits are very healthy. Okay, and here you can see here, children, I know all my children drink milks now. Yes, you have to drink milk daily. And sometimes when there is very cold in winters, then you can drink coffee and tea also. And in winters, mama makes vegetable soups for you now. Yes, this is also very healthy. So you have to drink vegetables soup also. And children, juice, any fruit of fresh juice, not a packet juice, but you have to drink only fresh juice, what we get from fresh fruits. Okay, so children, these are some healthy foods and healthy drinks. Children, I have some more things, healthy things for you. Here you can see I have a chart. You can see here, these all are dal. All of you love dal and rice. I love to eat them. And you should also eat all the dal. You can see here, this is red color, malka dal. And this is black color, yellow chana and arhar, moong dal, urad dal, chana, rajma, and here is rice. So children, these are very healthy for your health. So you have to eat all the dals every day. Don't make faces, Mama, I don't want this dal, I don't want to eat this vegetable, I don't like this fruit. No, you have to eat all the dal and rice, and you have to eat chapati also. Okay, so children, so these are vegetables, fruits, all healthy drinks, juice, tea, coffee, sometimes vegetable soup and milk, and all dals and rice and chapati you have to eat daily because they makes us healthy and strong. And all of you small children, you have to eat all the healthy food. Okay, so children, today we will do some exciting work of healthy food. Okay, are you ready for that? You know now all of you loves fruit. Okay, so we will do coloring in very lovely juicy fruit. Okay, so now be ready. We will do some activity of healthy food. Okay, so children, now take out your color wheel book, art and craft book. Okay, and take out page number 13. 13. Here you can see, here is a picture of grapes. Children, when you go market with your mama, have you seen purple color grapes? Have you seen now? Yes, grapes are purple and green also. So children, today we will color in grapes. These are purple grapes, and this is also very healthy fruit for us. Okay, now take out your color box and take out, children, purple color. This is purple color. And now start coloring in grapes. And children, please do slowly. Okay, when you do slowly color in picture, then color will not come out. See, like my ma'am is doing, you also do like this. Some children do color very beautifully, very nicely, and some are good in color, but they need to practice. Yes. So children, do slowly purple color. Which color this is, children? This is purple color. Purple color grapes. And grapes are very juicy, very healthy for us. So today we are making purple color grapes. Like green color grapes, purple color grapes are also very tasty and healthy. Now children, what you have to do, in back of your book, here you can see some leaves stickers are there. Green color grapes leaves stickers. Now take out these stickers one by one and we will paste in grapes. Okay, now paste them here like this. So here you can see green color leaves and purple color grapes. So children, today we have learned about healthy foods, fruits, vegetables, dal and rice, and healthy drinks, milk, fresh juice, sometimes coffee and tea you can drink in cold, and vegetable soup also. So children, we will meet again tomorrow with new activity and new work. Okay, now start doing your work. I am waiting for you. So children, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.